Hello, people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't know what all is going to be happening in this video, but right now, I know that we are starting out with the hair transformation slash experiment. I am tired of this. You can't really tell on camera, like, it looks pretty good on camera, but in person, it's like super like yellow and like green here, and I can't handle that. So I saw a video of someone doing a DIY color remover, and I was very curious about that, so we're gonna be trying that today. That's the first thing I'm gonna do in this video, and then obviously I need to bleach my roots. I'll probably hit it all with some quick bleach depending on how it turns out, because I want to like lift this a bit more so that it stops being green when my hair fades. I kind of need a shave, so maybe we'll do that in this video as well, and yeah, we'll just see what happens, but we're starting with my hair. The ingredients for this recipe are clarifying shampoo, and it's 2 parts of this to 1 part of vitamin C powder. This is the exact one that she had, so I got this one as well. So yeah, 2 parts clarifying shampoo to 1 part vitamin C powder. And people like swear by this stuff. In the comments there was like hairdressers and stuff being like, yeah, I love this, I do this all the time. So I'm excited. And as you can see, like deep in here is still pretty blue, so I don't know. I'm just excited to see what it does, and I don't think this is gonna be like really damaging. It's just like it'll dry it out a bit because clarifying shampoo, so I'm probably gonna do a mask afterwards. But yeah, I'm gonna start with 2 ounces of shampoo and 1 ounce of vitamin C. I really like the way this stuff smells. Honestly, I'm getting really tired of the way this stuff smells. 2 ounces.
Yeah, it's got nutrition.
Oh, definitely don't do that. Sort of just estimating here. It's whatever. It's okay if it's not super precise. This is just a huge experiment, guys. Like, I've never done anything like this, TBH. Okay, this is not mixing so well. My hair is fairly damaged from the last time I bleached it, which was when I had orange, and hence why it turns green now, because it was like quite yellow after I bleached it, but like it was pretty damaged after that. So yeah, I am trying to just like be careful with it. But yeah, I feel okay about this, but I'll let you know if it seems to be visibly damaged. You opened the trash can. Please don't look at my trash. It's getting quite foamy. Hers was pretty runny, and I'm kind of confused about that because we use the same shampoo, so I don't know what that's about, but it's getting very foamy. It kind of just looks like bleach because the bleach I use is blue. I'm ready to summon my mother. Okay. You were gonna have to stop doing that. I forgot, but she said this works best with damp hair, so I'm going to get my hair wet now. I need a comb. The pink one. This is really cool and necessary. My hair is damp now. And here's my mom. I'll come back when something else happens. I'm excited to see if this works or not. Okay, wow.
Does it work or not?
Does it work or not? It's 6:15. So I'm gonna leave this on for at least an hour, and we'll see how it's looking then. It's been like an hour. I'm about to rinse it out, but so far it looks almost exactly the same, so that kind of sucks, but I guess we'll see. Can you tell a difference?
No.
No. Okay, I'll put the pictures up before and after, because to be honest, it did a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Mostly like from here down. So I was like pretty disappointed in it, but I'm doing it again today. It's pretty dark in here, so I'm gonna hit it again. I'm gonna do more vitamin C powder, and I'm gonna leave it for longer. To be honest, it did dry out my hair just a tiny bit. And I didn't have time to do my treatment, but today I will definitely be using this, which is my favorite little treatment. I'm just gonna quickly do it again, focusing mostly on my roots and like back here. I'm doing it myself this time because my mom is not here. Okay, here I am back again. It's been a couple days. Can you tell the difference? I think honestly it's working just a teeny tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. So I did the treatment on it like I showed you. It feels okay. It feels good. So I feel good about doing this next step, which is a bleach bath. This is going to be my first time doing a bleach bath. I'm a little bit nervous. Since I've been doing my hair for so long, there's not too many firsts for me. You know what I mean? I've kind of done everything, but I haven't done a bleach bath. So basically, I'm just going to mix up my bleach and then add some shampoo into it and do it with my hair wet, which is a difference. I really do think it worked a little bit though. I'm like pretty happy with the results. I'm just still trying to lighten this up a tiny bit. So yeah, I'll show you in here. It's still dark, but it's like, it's okay. I'm just gonna try to work with it. So I'm gonna do 1 ounce bleach and then 2 ounces of developer. I'm using 20 volume. You're supposed to do equal parts of shampoo to this, but I think that's just a bit too much. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. Honestly, I'm getting really tired of the way this stuff smells.
Wow.
It's actually pretty easy to do myself, and I feel like it's pretty even. Hopefully this actually does something. I'm probably gonna leave this for like 10 or 15 minutes. Is it doing anything? Okay, I'm back again. Today is a Roots day. I've been editing this video and like I don't know what I was talking about because it is definitely getting lighter. Slowly but surely. But the thing is, I can't really tell which process did most of the lifting. So yeah, but whatever. Today we're bleaching my roots and hopefully doing the color. I've shown this before, but I will tell you again. I use L'Oreal Quick Blue. I use this ion like sensitive developer in Don't use this though. Use this one. I just want to do my roots and like maybe bring it down a tiny bit here to try to get this even with this. I'm kind of just gonna be okay with whatever happens at this point. Because I think I'm just gonna end up matching my dye to this color. So this video was like basically pointless because hardly anything is happening. But whatever, just trying some new things and I figured I would show you guys anyway. It's looking pretty good in there. I don't know about the back though. Can you see? I just stubbed my toe really hard and I'm in a lot of pain. I rinsed it out and I think it looks really good. This lined up and it like basically matches now, so that's awesome. Look at this beautiful breakfast sandwich that I made. My mom is laughing at me. But I think I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to dye it. So my roots are looking really good. It's still like a bit dark back here, but honestly it's okay. It's way better than it was. I'm happy with it. So I'm just gonna try to mix up a color that's like basically like this. Here's my ingredients for my mix. I'm starting with this Lime Crime Unicorn Hair in Blue Raspberry. This is pretty old, but it was very beautiful when I used it. So this is gonna be like my base because there's like quite a bit of this left. I'm gonna mix it with this Lunar Tides like mix-in stuff to like increase the volume but not change the color. And this is called Lunar White. You can use my discount code on these if you would like, and any other color. And thank you to those of you who use my code, it helps me out a lot. And then I think I'm gonna mix a tiny bit of this in, just to get it to be like a little bit more teal, because this is quite true blue. We'll see how this turns out. I'm gonna make my little mix. This smells very good, kind of like a grandma. Ooh, it's like very thick. And my hair, I'm growing it out like at least a bit. And it's getting super long and I need a lot of hair dye now.
It's just Sean.
I put a tiny bit of this teal because it wasn't really teal enough for me, but I think this is good now. We got Hosier tickets.
Yay!
For the summer. Basically right after the Supernatural movie.
5 days after.
So that's very exciting.
She just mixed up Knuckles and Shadow.
No, I'm not putting that in. I'm not putting that.
Yes.
I think it's been like 2 hours, so it's looking good. Almost time for the big major reveal. It's pretty much gonna look identical to how I started. Are you ready for the reveal? Yay! I love how it came out. I didn't get around to doing my shave, but that's okay. Listen, this video was kind of a roller coaster, and I know if you go back to the beginning, it might not seem like there's much of a difference, but trust me, it is a lot different, and I love it. So yeah, I also did my nails to sort of match. This is by Mooncat. I'll put the shade up, but I freaking love Mooncat. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!